Well, the Supreme Court handed down a ruling allowing Idaho hospitals to provide emergency abortions for now.
Yeah, Elizabeth Din joined us now with a breakdown on exactly, Elizabeth, what this ruling means.
Yeah, so there is a lot to this, Jeff and Jenny. So keep in mind, this is the first time the justices considered the implications of state restrictions on abortion ever since overturning the federal right to abortion 2 years ago. But this procedural ruling sidesteps the issue. So it could end up in front of the conservative majority court again. The Supreme Court ruled Idaho ER doctors can perform abortions when needed in medical emergencies. The case focused on a clash between Idaho's near total ban and federal law. Federal law requires hospitals accept Medicare to provide stabilizing treatment, including abortion care, to a mother whose health is at serious risk. The court's ruling is expected to have implications for more than a dozen states that have adopted near total bans on abortion.
It also is a very strong signal to lawmakers and also those who are not lawmakers but are working in administrative government that they should stand down.
So the court did not, though, address the underlying question of whether the federal law trumps Idaho's law in certain circumstances. And so the case, for that reason, could return to the high court down the road. There are still many other cases left in this year's session for the U.S. Supreme Court. That includes the case on immunity for former President Donald Trump, as well as the Grants Pass ruling, the Southern Oregon town, the ruling there, which could have long-term implications when it comes to criminalizing homelessness. So, Jeff and Jenny, we could see those decisions as soon as tomorrow, perhaps not until next week, though.
Yeah, we've been waiting on that Grants Pass decision now for a couple weeks, so it will be interesting. And the immunity case, too, that's a big one.
Yeah. So many things. And then with that, this decision on the abortion treatment, too, again, it could go back to them as well, because it doesn't really look at those states that have near total bans. How do they separate that with the federal law and the state law? So there's a lot still going on, of course.
Yeah,
Right.
maybe we'll learn more tomorrow. Yeah. Maybe some of these decisions will come down. We'll wait and see.
Thank you.